Hello friends, in advanced JavaScript, our today's topic is Windows objects. Let's discuss. See, Windows object at the very top of the object hierarchy is the Windows object. So, Windows object is, you may say, the parent object of all other objects. So, as soon as your browser loaded, it opens a Windows object, or you may say it represent an open window object in the browser. So an object of the window is created automatically by browser. So for window, that is your parent object of all other object, is created by your browser, that you have to remember. Window object represents an open window in browser, and an object of the window is created automatically by the browser. So whenever you open the browser, if I open this browser, I can see one window here. So this window object will be always open by my browser. If I click here, I can see one window is opening. So my browser will always create one window object for me, open window object for me. So there are some properties and description for objects. So the name of the property, location of the object, document of the object, status property of the object, and close property of the object. So name will be written the name of the window, location will be written the location of the object, location object of for the window, document will return the document object for the window, status will return the states and returns the text in the status bar of the window. It will sets and returns the text of the status bar of the window. Closed property will return the boolean value, indicates whether the window has been closed or not. Whether a window was closed or not, it will return in yes or no, or true or false. Alert is the method where alert displays the alert box containing message with OK button. If you want to display a message in the window, which is you may say the pop-up box, you have to use alert method. Confirm displays the confirm dialog box containing the message with OK and cancel button. If you want to confirm, suppose you are closing window and you want a user to see the confirm message, that is are you really wants to close the window, then you can use this function prompt. This is very useful function in the JavaScript. Displays a dialog box to get input from the user. If you want any input from the user, then you can prompt a dialog box by using prompt function. Open, it opens new window. Close, it closes the current window. Blur, removes focus from the current window. If you want to remove the focus from the current window, you have to use blur, and vice versa. If you want to set the focus on current window, you will use the focus function. Print, prints the content of the current window. Set timeout, calls a function or evaluates an expression after a specified number of milliseconds. After specified number of milliseconds, you can set a call function or whatever you want to do after that time span. So after you can set the timeout function for many purposes. So we will see two programs here with some functions. I have already made them for here for you. So this is the program which opens a new window. I have created one form and just taken a button, create a new window. By clicking this button, you will make a new window. So the make new window function is here. I am taking variable new win, that means new window, and I am assigning windows.open. So my new window will be open, and in new window what I can see is this is my new window. So I'm assigning my window object a text by document.write, and I'm assigning the h1 tag to this page by writing it. This is a new window, and my new window document.body.style.background color will be sky blue. New window color will be sky blue. Let's check it how it will run. I'm saving this program, and if I run this, if I click here, I will zoom it for you. If I click here, my new window will be open, and the text will be displayed is what? This is a new window. So that is the purpose. So if I was at this page, and after clicking this, I will open a new window always whenever I will click this button, and the text will be displayed here as this is a new window. So that is one example. And another one is for set timeout function. Set timeout function is, see, by clicking this button I am setting a time in milliseconds here. This is the time in milliseconds. This is 4000 milliseconds, not a seconds. So windows.set timeout next is equal to I am setting a 4000 milliseconds, and after 4000 milliseconds I can see alert function. I am calling a next function here, that is next, and I will show you alert message, that is 4 seconds have been passed. So let's run this program and check it. This is message. If I click this set timeout, then you can see the message 4 seconds have passed. So this is the use of set time function, and we will see more examples of Windows objects and more programs about Windows objects from next lecture. I hope you understand Windows object. Thank you so much.